Hello, my name's Savannah Rivera. I'm from Connecticut. I went to school to get my bachelor's degree in exercise science at Sacred Heart University in Fairfield, Connecticut. My plan after school was to go back to school to get my doctorate in physical therapy. But after working at a physical therapy clinic in Westerly, Rhode Island, I figured out that physical therapy wasn't really for me. So I decided to pursue my master's in public health because I'm very passionate about health and fitness and just overall wellness. Um, with my master's degree in public health, I plan to gain enough experience and education to um, help different companies improve their occupational wellness. Um, I've worked in a hospital before, and I noticed a lot of the nurses and the doctors were obese. They worked 16 plus hour shift. They were very burnt out and overworked. And I didn't see any programs to help them with their mental health, their stress levels, even their physical levels. They didn't really have any programs or relationships with local gyms. Um, their priority was the patient, which is really important, but I think it's even more important to take care of the employees because when they are healthy, then they will better be able to treat um, the patients and get a better recovery outcome. Right now, I work as a personal trainer until I graduate school. Um, but I am looking forward to learning more about how I can better create programs for occupational wellness to create a more mindful environment going in the future.